To study ancient Egypt, you can come and take archaeology classes, you can take language classes, or you can take the end of Egyptian civilization, the Coptic period, take classes in Coptic, and they would include art, architecture, history, religion, every possible topic in those.
Of course, focus on migration and refugees issue, which covers comprehensively every aspect of displacement, including the IDPs, that is internally displaced people. Our students benefit a lot from this program. It is not only focusing on the academic aspects of the studies, it focuses on the legal aspects. That is why the courses offer skills on international refugee law. It also focuses, as I mentioned earlier, on every segment of displacement, which includes the internally displaced people, which includes the refugee, which include the migrants.